How to sign in to RBC Bank Online Banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in RBC Bank Online Banking and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one option, www.rbcroyalbank.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right, you're going to see the option of sign in. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your RBC account. So go ahead and type in your client card or username. If you want to save your client card or username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten the username, click on this option, recover your username. Once you fill this, click on next. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into RBC Online Banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.